fazendo a coi nát kia coi giờ mình thi cho nó phải được ngày ta đấy vậy phải đấy em phải
Leander Folk and Classical Academies in Far West District, performing the dance entitled Thogal Jagoi. Thogal Jagoi is a revered traditional dance of Manipur performed by people of all ages. This sacred dance is a heartfelt offering to the deities, seeking blessings of peace, prosperity and communal well-being. Through their graceful movements and rhythmic steps, the dancers pay homage to the divine, fostering a sense of unity, harmony, and spiritual connection within the community.